In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start earning real money online with CPA marketing, even as a complete beginner. I'm going to show you how you can create a very simple website like this and start earning thousands of dollars with CPA marketing. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally get started and start earning passive income online with CPA marketing. So moving on to today's video, you want to head over to this website called spreadsimple.com. So basically, this is a website that allows you to turn Google Sheets into a website without having to create any code. So I'm going to show you a sample of this website. As you can see, this is where I created this website. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to basically create an account with spreadsimple.com by clicking on the Get Started button right here. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this, and all you just need to do from here is to click on this plus button. So once you do that, the next step is to basically go over to docs.google.com/spreadsheets. So once you come over to this website, all you need to do is to click on blank. So you want to create 5 columns like this. So the next thing you want to do is to basically go back to your Cpagrip account. So now I'm going to show you what you need to do in your account. So once you are in your Cpagrip account, you want to make sure to come over to my offers. So once you come over here, you want to make sure all countries is selected. So once you select that, here you want to make sure you select all mobile. So once you do that, you want to come over to the search section and you want to type in keywords like win, giveaway, gift card. So once you type in something like win, you are going to see a lot of sweepstakes and giveaway offers that you can basically promote and start earning money. All right, you can see there are so many offers from various countries. You can see this one is from UK, this one from Belgium. You can see this one from New Zealand, this one from Netherlands. So if I keep scrolling down, you are going to see offers from various countries. You can see this one from Canada and this one from Jamaica. So basically, this is the trick right here. So once you do this, it's going to filter all the giveaway offers that are currently available on Cpagrip, and you can start using those offers to make money. And once you do that, most of these offers are available on both Android and iOS. You can see this offer is available on Android. You can see this is the exact same offer right here, which is also available on iOS. You can see this is a United States offer right here. So basically, if I go to another country, let's take UK as an example, you see this is a particular offer here that is available for both Android and iOS. So now once you've done this, all you just need to do is to click on any of this offer. So I'm going to take this offer here as an example, which says claim your Samsung Galaxy S23. As you can see, this offer is available on both Android and on iOS. And this also means if someone from iOS clicks on this offer, they are going to be redirected to the iOS version of this offer. So now once you've done this, all you need to do from here, copy the title of this offer. So you want to paste in the title of this offer right here. So once you do that, you want to paste in the country as well, available in New Zealand. And now the next step is to copy the link to this offer. Okay, so once you paste in the link, you want to go back to your Cpagrip account and you want to right click and open this image in a new tab. Please save this landing page to your device. So once you save it to your device, you want to head over to this website called postimages.org, and this is where you want to upload this image. So once you upload the image, all you just need to do from here is to copy the address of this image, and you want to make sure you copy this direct link. All right, so I'm going to copy this, and now you want to paste in the link right here. All right, so once you've done this, all you just need to do from here is to click on share. So once you click on share, you can skip this if you want. And here you want to change this to anyone with link. And now you want to click on copy. So once you do this, you want to click on Google Spreadsheet link and you want to paste in the link right here and you want to click on continue. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And now you can see everything looks really disorganized. You want to come over to this section that says title and you want to click on this drop down button and you want to click on sweepstakes. And now for the subtitle, click on this drop down button and you want to change this to country. And now for the price, you want to leave this empty. And now for the text section, you can come over here and you want to select sweepstakes again. And now the final thing you want to do is to come over to this primary button settings and you want to click on this button and here you want to type in something like click here. Okay, so once you do this, then you want to scroll down and you want to click on this section that says link for redirect. And now you want to make sure to select this link. So once you do that, this is all you really need to do on this page. As you can see, once people click on this link, they will be taken to your CPA offer. But there is a minor error on this page, which is this image right here. As you can see, it didn't fit properly. Unlike the example I showed you, as you can see, the image fits perfectly in this landing page. So there's a correction to this, and all you just need to do is to come over to this website called onlineimageresizer.com. So once you come over to this website, you want to upload the image, and I'm going to upload the image, and you want to make sure to uncheck this button right here. So once you uncheck this, you want to make sure to change the width to 800 and the height to 800, and you want to click on resize now. So once you do that, you want to download this image, and now once you download the image, you want to go back to postimage.com. So once you come back to post images, you want to basically upload the image you just resized. As you can see right here, 800 by 800 pixels. So once you upload it, you want to click on the share button, and you want to copy the direct link. Then you want to come back to your spreadsheet, and you can basically come here and change the link. All right, so all you need to do is to remove the existing link, and you want to paste in the new link, and you want to click on apply. So once you do that, you want to click on Ctrl S on your keyboard. All right, so once you click on Ctrl S on your keyboard, you want to go back to your account. You want to click on this refresh Google Sheet. So now once the page refresh, as you can see right here, the image fits perfectly on the landing page. So once you do this, you want to add as many offers as possible. So as not to prolong this video, I have added 4 more offers that you can find on Cpagrip.com. And once you do that, you want to come back to this page, and all you just need to do is to click on refresh. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to update this landing page for you automatically. All right. So once you've added all the offers you wish to add, you want to make sure to remove this button that says, what are you looking for? And to do that, all you need to do is to scroll to the very bottom of this page, and you want to disable this enable search. And now the final thing you want to do before you finish your landing page is to come over to the design section, and you want to scroll to this bottom that says home page intro. You want to remove this default image. So once you delete that, you can basically go over to Google, and you can type in keywords like sweepstake win gift card. All right. And you want to make sure to use non-copyrighted images by clicking on usage right, and you want to make sure to select Creative Commons, or you can basically go over to canva.com to create your own image from scratch. So once you've downloaded the image you want to use, all you just need to do is to click on upload a cover image, and you want to upload the image. And now you want to scroll down to the very bottom, and you want to check this box that says keep intro image aspect ratio. So once you do that, as you can see, everything looks super awesome. And once people come over to this page, they are going to see the title of the offer, the country which this offer is available in, and they are also going to see a link that they can click on to access this offer. Now the final step is to come over to this section that says change domain, and you want to give your landing page a name that resonates with the content on the landing page. And all you just need to do is to click on save. So once you do that, as you can see, your domain was created successfully. Now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic and start earning money using this simple landing page. So the first traffic source that you can use is Facebook. And there are a lot of people on Facebook who want free stuff. As you can see, these are groups dedicated to giveaways and sweepstakes. You can see this is a group with over 50,000 people who want giveaways and free stuff. All right. So once you come over here, you want to make sure to filter to groups. And all you just need to do is to basically click on the group. So if I take this group as an example, so once you join the group, all you just need to do is to come over to the write something section. You want to type in a very strong, captivating post that is going to make people want to click on the link, something like enter now and you could be the next lucky winner. So all you just need to do is to put this landing page in front of these people and drive traffic to that landing page and start collecting leads. So another traffic source you can use is Pinterest. So if you come over to Pinterest and you type in keyword like sweepstake, you are going to see a lot of content about sweepstake on Pinterest as well. As you can see, there are a lot of people that are promoting various sweepstake offers on Pinterest. All right, so you can see this one. If I click on this pin, all right, so if I come over here, as you can see, this is the website of this person. And if I click on this link, as you can see, it brought me to this sweepstake page right here where people can sign up for this sweepstake offer. So as you can see, people are also using Pinterest to drive traffic to their landing page as well, and they are making money. So if you combine Facebook and Pinterest, I can assure you that you are definitely going to start getting a ton of traffic to your landing page. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and make sure to click on any of the 2 videos on your screen right now for more ways to start earning money online. And if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.